Disruptive innovation is probably easiest described as change that customers didn't know they were coming and didn't know they needed, because it typically changes an entire value chain.
What we've done for 25 years is we've been that glue that pulls everything together.
We're going to make this easy, and that's really where we'll make our customers succeed, like you said.
The innovation process is basically built into the culture. It's into the fabric of everything we do as an organization.
We are 15, 16,000 strong engineering organization, almost 40,000 strong overall as a company. Like, there's a tremendous number of folks here, and we can actually do a tremendous amount.
So it's a thinking culture. It's not just a doing culture, it's also a thinking culture.
Everyone's entitled to ask the question why, to prompt for, is there a better way for us to do this?
Every explore, there is, I would say, fundamental stuff that you think, oh, I did not even think this was possible, right?
Radio is really, it's in our DNA. It's really what founded the company way back when with the 4 hardcore software engineers.
And yet there's this remarkable legacy of its association with some of our biggest innovations.
A lot of the innovation that you see is bottom up, right? There was no GM, there is no product manager, there's no engineering leader saying, go do this, right? It's original, fresh ideas of people thinking about the possibilities and going out and doing it.
I mean, that's a differentiator. And it's a people-centric approach.
One of the things that we tried to do on the radio program side was to actually put more of these things in, saying, okay, what is the real customer value that you're driving for with this idea?
So we are inventing things that are brand new, novel, based on current needs. And the equally other important goal is to take those innovations and transfer them into VMware products and services and get them out to customers who desperately need them.
So quantum computing has a massive potential to be a huge benefit to our customers, but it comes with a huge peril. And so if quantum computing is suddenly really, really good at complex mathematics, it's actually rendering a lot of our security obsolete. Not only are we coming up with ways where we can protect against that security threat, we're making sure that those methods are available to customers to adopt very easily.
But we also get asked by the customers day in, day out, hey, what is AI? What is ML strategy for VMware?
The focus on machine learning, artificial intelligence, Gen AI, large language models, all of that is brand new.
You can now program a computer or a collection of computers to do amazing things, knowing nothing but English and some basic ability to give sequential instructions. It makes it a platform like none other.
What I realized is as we saw the rise of ChatGPT, generative AI, we had an opportunity to really pull in all those culture changes into that framework of the Gen AI strategy that we're developing.
Running workloads is not different for us. And so interacting with customers and understanding what their needs are, providing the best technology, as a solution for those workloads is right up our alley.
And having been a customer before for a couple of decades for VMware, the one thing which I really, really liked is balancing the experience, not only focused on features or functionalities, but delivering the whole thing and making it very simple for customers to consume.
That's core to our ethos around innovation.
We have all these opportunities ahead of us. ChatGPT and large language models have captured everybody's imagination.
The reality is that these things make us more agile. They make us better innovators.
Innovation is alive and well, and it is thriving.